If you're wanting to make a DIY gift this Mother's Day, then this paper rosette badge is just what you're looking for. Cut out 2 paper rectangles 10 cm by 18 cm, then decorate these in a pattern of your choice. Take one of the paper rectangles and place it in a portrait position. Bring the 2 shortest sides together to fold the paper in half lengthways. Then unfold the piece of paper. Take one of the shorter sides and bring them to the centre fold line that you just created. Repeat this with the other shorter side of the rectangle. Repeat this action folding each of the sides to the centre fold line. Repeat once more, then unfold your piece of paper. As you unfold this, your paper rectangle should have many fold lines equal in width. We will use these to guide our Concertina folding. Start at the bottom of your rectangle and fold the first section away from you using the fold line you created earlier to guide the fold. Then turn the whole piece of paper over. Fold the next section away from you again using the guiding fold lines to make sure that they are equal in width. Repeat this Concertina fold up the whole length of the paper rectangle, then repeat this for the second paper rectangle. Fold both of these in half lengthways, then add some quick drying glue to the centre to make a semicircle. Then glue both of the semicircles together in the centre to make a circle. This will be the structure of your rosette badge. Decorate a paper circle 5 cm in diameter. Then glue this onto a card circle 6 cm in diameter and attach to the rosette. Next you'll need another paper circle, 2 card strips and a pin badge. Cut out 2 triangles from your card strips. Arrange these onto the paper circle and secure in place using some tape. Then secure the pin badge in place using some tape as well. Glue this to the back and you've now got your paper rosette for Mother's Day.